guys, it's Veronica. Okay, we're doing a dare for someone. It's the little girl and the babysitter one. So we'll put the person's name in the sidebar. So enjoy. Okay, Molly. Are you gonna eat your food now? Okay, now it's time to eat your vegetables. Here you go. Molly! Eat your vegetables, Molly! Molly! Eat the carrot! No, wait, no! Let's play a game, okay? Okay, now. Let's come stand by this tree, okay? Like this? Yeah. Okay. So hold this. But make sure there's enough room for me to touch it. Okay? Okay? So what's this game called? Oh, this thing? Hold on. Let me try to smell something. Okay, Molly. Okay, Molly, eat your vegetables. I don't like Molly, eat the carrot, Molly! Molly, eat the carrot! Molly, eat the carrot! Eat the whole thing! No, Molly! Molly! Eat the carrot! Eat the carrot! Molly! Eat the carrot! No!